Hello from Slovenia again. This will be, first pouring my other place. My studio became too small, so I got another room. If you are interested in the tour, I will show you the tour at the end of this video. And because it will be Easter, it's Easter week, and I was looking for some plastic eggs to pour on and something, and I found those Christmas teardrops kind of things, and I was thinking to pour some paint in here and try to, I don't know, do something. And I have 10 by 14 inch canvas, and I will tell you the colors while I pour. I have some blues and purples and gold. Want to organize them like this, and some gold, and this one, something like that. So I will start with just a touch of titanium white and some Windsor violet. My paints are quite thick today, and my Mary by Amsterdam, and Precious Gold by Pebeo, and Windsor Violet, and some Sky Blue Light by Amsterdam, and some Cobalt Blue by Ultramarine Blue by Amsterdam, and Ultramarine Violet by Amsterdam. And I will go with some white again. obviously don't have enough paint, so I will just add some more paint. And I will do bigger layers this time. Okay. Flow extender. Okay, and I will grab a skewer and I will swipe a little bit. And this middle part, I think. this painting. It's different, but I like it. Okay, I'm done. So let me take you down for a close-up. So here it is. I just want to bring those looks so cute. Not this one as much, but the painting is really cool. I like a lot of details here, and I like the whole composition, and this part here just glows, and this violet will dry really dark. So this tree here and this wiping here. So I'm happy. I really am. Maybe I should even tilt a little more of this off, but I don't know, I will leave it because I love this so much that I don't want to lose. So I will leave it like that. If you are interested in studio tour, stay tuned. Otherwise, see you on the next one. Bye. I'm just preparing myself to do today's pour, and I just want to show you my extended place. I had only this place for my art studio, and now has a passage, and I will get to the other room, and here is my sink and a ton of paintings and a ton of paints, some canvases and more paintings and more paints and drying rack and some paintings here and here on the wall. I will do an auction in late May, middle May, I don't know. Have to sell some of my art because I don't have space, and some more paint and some more racks and a table and computer and everything. So I used to paint here in this room before, and now I have this space because it's brighter, I think it will be. And the clock, hello. And my native painting that I really like. You see, this is from this point of view. And some more paint and my table and cameras. So this will be my working space from now on. And of course, clock will be here. I just want to show you that because I'm happy, can't wait to create here more.